Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is your teacher Shamila. Today we will be discussing Isme Ilahi in our lecture number 6. All praises to Allah, who is the Malikul Quddus, the Rahman and Rahim, who is Hudallil Muttaqeen. Now today we are here to discuss the importance of Isme Ilahi, and we will be discussing some of the Isme Ilahi. It is one of the most important topic that on which every Muslim should spend time in understanding and learning and memorizing the names of Allah, as this is the central concept of whole Quran. Now all the names of Allah, they describes his qualities and power, and all his names are beautiful. And the one important thing is that Allah is pleased if you call him by his beautiful names. So I want you people that whatever names are shown in front of you, you should learn them, you should memorize them. So let's get started. The first name that we are going to discuss today is Az-Zahiru. Az-Zahiru means the manifest. Sabse Zahir. Al-Batinu. Al-Batinu means the hidden. Sabse Poshida. Al-Waliyu. The patron, the governor, Mutawalli or Mutasarrif. Al-Mutta'ali. The self-exalted, the most exalted, इंतहाई बुलंद. Al-Barru, भलाई करने वाला, the source of all goodness, the most kind and righteous. At-Tawwabu, the acceptor of repentance, the ever returning, बहुत तौबा कबूल करने वाला. You all know that whenever we go in front of him with the pure heart, he always listens to our prayers. Then comes Al-Muntakimu, the Avenger, बदला लेने वाला. Al-Afu, the Pardoner, बहुत माफ़ करने वाला. Ar-Rauf, the Compassionate, बहुत शफ़क़त करने वाला. And if you have any question related to the names of Allah that we have discussed, you can ask me at my email ID. I hope you will learn and memorize these names. Thank you.